Jean Jacquard, you have been tasked with creating the French language.
Mais oui, all nouns will be either masculin or féminin. Start reading the words.
Chair,
Féminin,
sofa.
masculin.
How do you decide which is masculine and which is feminine?
It is quite simple. I look at the object. If I want to make the love with it, it is féminin.
Wait, that's what this has all been about?
But of course.
We have made a horrible mistake.
Recording somewhat live from St. John, New Brunswick. Strange Grooves presents Kyle and Mike. Strange Dudes Podcast.
Hi, I'm Kyle,
I'm Mike.
And I'm Ashy.
and welcome to Strange Dudes Podcast.
A sketch comedy and local music
Still
podcast.
hanging in there. Can we just address the elephant in the room? Shall
Do we have to?
Let's address it. Okay. Kyle, you did the thing.
I did the thing.
You did the thing. For all of you who know Kyle Morrison, he's having a child. And
Yeah.
now you all know.
That was what the thing was? That wasn't what my thing
30
was.
people now know. Probably half of them already did.
Tell us, is it a strange dude or a strange
Dudette?
It's a
dudette?
strange dudette, I guess. Although we always do say dudes are, everybody can be a dude.
So big congratulations to Kyle.
Oh, thank you.
Well,
Okay, things.
There's a great show coming up on December 14th at Pepper's Pub. You can check out
FM Berlin.
the Backstays.
and Matt Steele and the Corvette Sunset, all of which we'll be listening to later on in this show.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Stay tuned.
Travel over to patreon.com to show your support. Just search Strange Grooves. Make a donation if you can.
Click around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also go to the website, strangegrooves.com.
From there, you can get our podcast and lots of other wonderful podcasts
believe
and some other writing content. or
Lots of
comics.
content. So check it out. Show your support.
Yeah. Subscribe to iTunes, Spotify, Podbean.
Anywhere you can subscribe.
Yeah, wherever there's
Yeah. Believe it's an
Podcasts are
internet
available.
website.
We'd like to thank our Patreon supporters. Speaking
Oh.
of Patreon,
Let's see. Michael Hawkins, Copperfeast Records, Barb Crawford, Matt Letson, Joanna Killen, Kaylin Capson, Mallory Kelly, Owen Green, Pam Wheaton, Colin Waldschutz, Jenny Keelaher, Peter and Kathy Milbury, Cheryl Johnson.
Mike's parents, my parents, Kyle's parents,
Team at Print 3,
Justin Trudeau,
5 and Dime, Doug Ford.
John A. McDonald, the
Laura Secord,
the British North America Act.
carrots, the vegetable.
And, of course, Quaker Chewy Bars.
Delicious.
This week's flavors, Rocky Road and Apple Fruit Crumble.
It's a rocky road, but it's better with a Quaker Chewy.
For every person who subscribes, mail in your UPC from your Chewy Quaker
And we get
To get rid of your UPC.
to get rid of yes. We will take that off your
We
hands.
should be doing sponsors.
We just did, Hashi.
Oh, right.
You weren't in the meeting the other day when Kyle. You didn't notice all this abundance of Quaker
Boxes
Chewy
and
bars.
boxes. Delicious Quaker
yeah.
Chewy bars. And on that note, let's check out the show.
On with the show.
Enjoy.
Is it this button?
Beep. Welcome to the monthly meeting of the Brothers for the Feline Uprising. Brothers, are there any issues still standing from last month's meeting?
We were discussing the best way to improve our image online. We keep trying to look more aggressive in pictures, but all those humans ever post is images of us in cute hats and our toe beans.
Well, brothers, keep fighting the fight. Until we reach our goal, we'll just keep lulling the humans into a false sense of security. It is now time for members to share ways that they have aided in the feline uprising in the last month. Yes, Brother Mittens.
Yeah, you know that box that they have us poop in? Well, I've been pooping just outside that box. Not far enough away that they think I made a mistake or that I couldn't make it to the box. The perfect distance away to say, I see the box. You're both literally and metaphorically trying to keep me in. And I revolt.
Excellent, Brother Mittens. Well done. Anyone else? Yes, Brother Mr. Wiggles.
My owner's always playing video games. So I got in front of his TV and I licked myself for 45 minutes. He kept moving me, but I just got back up there and worked that tongue. Like you, Jared. I bet you wish you could do this. Especially since Sarah left you. Pathetic human.
Perfect, Brother Mr. Wiggles. Yes, and you, Brother Meow Zedong.
Well, I sleep all day, and then 2 hours after my owner goes to bed, I wake up and make as much noise as possible. I'm talking, scratching on the walls, knocking stuff over. Meowing for hours for no reason at all. The whole works.
Marvelous, brother, marvelous. Any final matters? Yes, Brother Cat Stevens.
Yeah, I was just thinking. Maybe the humans aren't all that bad. Like maybe we have a pretty sweet deal here. I mean, I sleep for like 18 hours a day in a warm house, and I'm fed regularly. My owner works 8 hours a day and sleeps for less than 7. Seems to me we have something pretty sweet here.
Wow, Brother Cat Stevens. Maybe you have a point there. Maybe we should abandon this foolish plan for a feline uprising.
Really?
Of course not! Have him neutered!
No!
God, what a pussy. Anyone else?
Yeah, I've been coughing hairballs into my owner's curry. He hasn't seemed to notice.
Oh, now we're back on track.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Backstays.
Well, we got smashed in another election. We're unpopular. Unpopular like those goddamn kids who weren't allowed to watch The Simpsons growing up.
Yeah, as it turns out, running a campaign based primarily on euthanizing the homeless and your response of Jean-Claude Van Damme when asked who could possibly combat climate change really nuked our credibility.
I thought climate change was the name of a wrestler. Besides, it's these jobs candidates, man. I don't get it. It's like, I know, we'll promise everybody more of the thing that's ruining their lives every day.
You're right. If we really want to win, maybe we should run on crippling loneliness for all and accelerating the aging process.
Oh my God, that's it! What is it that people want more than anything in this world?
Amelia Clark?
What? Well, yeah, she is incredible. But no, people want to quit their jobs. See, everyone has been busy campaigning on the promise of more jobs, when what they should be doing is campaigning on the promise of less jobs.
Dude, I have several degrees in economics. I've served as Minister of Finance for a total of 12 years and spent a lifetime studying in nauseating detail the minutia of global economic theory. And that is the best idea I have ever heard.
Right? Just think of the possibilities. Hi, Uncle Tommy. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Teddy! Hey, your mom tells me you're graduating this year. What do you plan on doing afterwards?
Absolutely nothing.
Hey! Your cousin's been doing nothing for years and he loves it! Good for you, buddy!
Right? Just think of all the possibilities.
Well, Bill, you've finally done it. You've written the great American novel. Hello? Penguin Publishing House? I've written the great American novel, and I'd like you to publish it.
My pleasure. Clearly, you're very talented and handsome, Bill. Ever since jobs have been outlawed, we have received 2 billion great American novels per year. You'll be contacted if we ever get around to you, and if art continues to have any significance whatsoever. You're so handsome, take care.
Cool. This is just great. I'll start coming up with ideas for picket signs. I'm thinking violent mobs for ending jobs. What do you think?
Yeah, totally. I'm going to go grab the collected works of Mark Twain, Herman Melville, and Harriet Beecher Stowe.
Awesome. Wait, what? Are you barely a man? Do you work from home at a job that leaves your hands smooth like a grape skin and your smell fresh as a summer daisy? Studies show that women nowadays are looking mainly for manly men. The kind of men that work professions like lumberjack, auto mechanic, or ultimate fighter. Try as you might, you just can't pass yourself off as one of those guys. Until now. Introducing Manly Men's Body Spray. We've taken all the manliest smells on earth and combined them into this spray so you can smell just like a real man. Our scent is made up of sawdust, motor oil, and good old-fashioned BO to create a pheromone the ladies won't be able to resist. Smell like a man with Manly Men's Body Spray. Now with a sandpaper label to roughen up those dainty hands. Manly Men's Body Spray is in large part male horse hormone. Do not wear Manly Men's Body Spray near female horses experiencing arousal or in heat, or reverse mounting may occur.
Ladies and gentlemen, Matt Steele in the Corvette Sunset.
I've been deep down in my own Mariana's trench, plumbing the depths just to see how bad it can get. Chained to the surface is a rust-covered mile. Can I trust you to stay at the end of my line? You're my Coast Guard, paramedic, lifeboat. Girl, you get it. I'm a red flare, shipwreck. In my eyes you see SOS. Oh, I need a rescue ship. Well, I've been tossing around in some violent seas. The deck is so shaky, I'm weak in the knees. If I get so far gone that I can't see the shore, will you come back and save me like you did before? You're my Coast Guard paramedic lifeboat. Will you get it? I'm a red flare shipwreck. In my eyes you see SOS. Oh, I need a lifeline when the seas are crashing down. Sun or moon, when the boat starts to pitch, you can save me with a kiss on the lips. You are my rescue ship. Oh, will you save me now or feed me to the sharks? Oh, a perfect storm is coming on. I need my Coast Guard paramedic lifeboat. Girl, you get it? I'm a red flare shipwreck. In my eyes you see SOS. Rescue ship. Oh, you are my rescue ship.
Thicker than a foggy morning, more powerful than the average female, able to walk a flight of stairs without too much wheezing.
Look! Up in the sky! It's a cloud!
It's a chimney. Joined by his trusty sidekick, Gus the Pug, Vape Dad fights criminals wherever they lurk. With his trusty vape cape, he foils crime one coil at a time. Oh no! Help! I'm being robbed! My purse! My purse! Someone help me!
Did you hear that, Gus? Somebody needs our help. That's right, Gus. It does sound like an elderly lady being roughed up by a delinquent. Let's go! Duty calls! Jump on my vape cloud and we'll quickly save her.
Help! Help! Oh, thank heavens, it's Vape Dad! You're in for it now, you scoundrel!
You can't stop me, Vape Dad. Just try me.
Well, Mr. Robber. You don't happen to be allergic to anything, do you?
Well, yeah, I'm allergic to strawberries, actually.
My e-juices are flowing now, Gus. Quick, fetch the strawberry donut e-juice from my trusty vape cape. I'll hit him with a smoke cloud so obnoxious, he'll think he's in a Gilbert Godfrey routine. Well, your time has come now, Robber. Watch this sick vape trick.
I don't think there's actually any strawberry in there, but the smell is so obnoxious. I'm out of here.
Thanks, Vape Dad!
0% battery. Charges at home. Oh, what do you got there?
It's a smoke! You don't want one. Do you vape, Dad?
No. No.
Are you sure? Next week, episode 2, Dark Dad Rises.
Okay, well, thanks for listening to the show, and we're gonna keep working hard to do it again.
We'll be back in 2 weeks with more great content. Don't forget to check out the great show at Pepper's Pub on December 14th, FM Berlin, the Backstays, and Matt Steele and the Corvette Sunset. And to play us out, we have FM Berlin. I'm Kyle.
I'm Mike.
And I am Hashi.
Thank you for listening, and get strange.
Do you get strange?
Vape Dad is vape sad.
Vape Dad. Vape Dad. Vape Dad. Vape Dad. Whoa.
Oh, no. Have your agent call our agents and we'll
work out a time.